Wait 4 more minutes. Wait 4 more minutes. My VMware is starting. Wait few more minutes. My VMware is starting. Today we are discussing about SSL handshake. Why SSL handshake will be coming in organizations. This is client send a request to the high. It will create a public. It will create a key session key and generated and send to the server. Hi, hello, and send again key encrypted format. After that, certificate verify or not will check. Both the certificate it will be same. Suppose I have one certificate ABC in a client server certificate also ABC is the same certificate validate and username authentication name domain name everything it will be match, otherwise it will show SSL handshake error. Client certificate verification completed application data same client and server side verification, the verification is completed, then only it will send the request and response, otherwise it will not response. This is middleware attack. Man middleware attack is one of the concept in the middleware. This is the man-made middleware attack. Means this send one of the person send a request to the server. Okay, and this and the Peter is the middleware attack. The Peter is the hacker. Hack the jack all data and send his own data and he account number on, he knows the pattern, and this is the like way to hack the servers and other things. This man is middleware attack. Client say hello, middleware take knows what he sent the information he entered into here and stolen the client information and server information like this. This is the HTTP browser send request to the IHS. Here man in middleware he came in the picture, means another person entered into the server, cannot, it will be stolen because in this situation client established the secure connection by using the certificate digicert like that, CA certificate authority. It will communication between the client and the server side. There is a certificate to avoid the man in the middleware. Due to this reason, all companies are established the secure connection to avoid the man in the middleware attack. See, certificate hacker attacker. Your certificate is the attacker. Same information stored into the server and exchange everything. Your information, everything goes to the middleware, man in middleware team. Okay. Due to this, all companies are managed with own certificates and DJCert are so many certificates authorities due to avoid of man in middleware attacks. Man in middleware is the most important concept in the middleware component. In the middleware component, without man in middleware is the hacker. Client send request to the server. He take stolen your data and they sent their own public and private key, and they stolen your all information to the hacker. This change ciphers and attacker send you their own ciphers like that. Attacker will be entered into the your computer. This is the one of the example I faced yesterday. See, request to the server. Okay, man had a hacker inside is there, man in middleware. Attacker send the information to server. He take gather the information of particular page and send their own page, own links, like your SBI card is blocked and so on. So on. Please click this link and to avoid the your card usage like this. This message is sent to the hacker. You are able to click and your all bank information is retrieved from the hacker. You see, host 1, host 2. This is man middleware attack continued. See, communication appears to be direct. No middleware team and attacker is there. Attacker entered your host. Okay, he stolen the information and communicated. This is the server. Local host and the server. Okay, like this attacker will communicate. Attacker relay message to destination host. This is the destination, this is the source and the destination. Okay, like this attacker will go to the servers. This is the user, this is the browser. Browser means internet or everything. Client send request to the browser in original connection. In middleware, when third person is enter this part, this connection will be broke and secure connection will be broke, and automatically it was a non-secure zone you will be entered. Non-secure means not able to secure your data. Like this man is middleware attack will be occurs. See, victim is there, entered in the web server. Automatically hackers will send the message. He click the messages and enter these all details. If this secure connection is broken, attacker will enter into this computer and do their all perform activities. They stolen your all data into the computer. This protect the network. This is the dematerialization servers. Your computer A, B, C, like the this is the proxy server and one more thing. This is attacker. Send a request to the target. This is the target. Okay. Send a request to the router A. Attacker will enter into the router A. He stolen your all data. Okay, like this. Attacker like this. It will occurs. It router will send the package to the target B. It is stolen all your packets and all information. It will gather like this. See, in sender and receive in browser web, there is victim send request to the web server. When when hacker enters, the secure connection is broken. Automatically, it is a non-secure zone. See, this is user. This is company's web server. This is managed middleware is hacked into the your user. It is automatically broken the secure connection. Phase 1. Cyber criminal gain access to the network through a open or poorly secured Wi-Fi routers and or manufacturing domain name systems DNS servers. See, Internet of Things devices. This is the internet devices. Managed middleware attack. This is the company web servers. Attacker and this is the spooled certificate. It means attacker certificate. Create the own certificate and send to the these things. You are entered into the car, tablet, or mobile like that. Your original connection is damaged and you are communicating with the hackers like this. Hacker will enter the company web servers also maybe. That way is connection, secure connection will be established. This is the man-in middleware attack. This is the one of the interview question asked translab. See, alias and malicious. Attacker, preparator. This is third party and this is a web application. This is the original connection. When attack hacked, automatically connection is disabled. How does manage middleware attack? See, like this, establish the success. Attacker now placed between user and server, legitimacy proxy. See, user and this is a destination server. This is the here manage middleware is progressing attacker. Send the request to your gateway. Your user and the server have one gateway is there, application programming gateway, communication between the server and the user. This is attacker directly enters into your gateway and store all your related information, malicious and everything, your MAC address and everything, gateway IP address, everything it will store in, and access to your web server. It's stored in a company loss like that. So, I am alias, attacker is there. Attacker is there. I am alias, send request, send a public key like this. User send request to the web application with secure connection, original connection. In this case, attacker enters your computer. If any clicks, your malicious emails, if any click, automatically secure connection will be disabled. Non-secure zone you entered and you stolen your all data, application data like this. This is the bank like this. This is like intended. See, this is this way. Organization have own certificates. Will contact the DigiCert all the certificates. See, this is the one of the concept, most important concept in the web sphere is SSL. To avoid the man in the middleware attack. So in this case, we entered in the certificate. Most important is man in middleware attack is the most important concept in the middleware component. What are the middleware components means? Security component, one of the component, and EJB container is the one of the component. After that, security and naming containers and web services is the one of the component, and EJB container and client J application client directly access to the your EJBs and deploy the your ER files and all the things by using deployer rule. All the things will take care by LDAP team. So I have one certificate. See, I have two certificates. This is generator. This is certificate generator from this root certificate. I am checking the certificate validation using OpenSSL command. OpenSSL X509. X509 retrieves the certificate related information of the particular certificate. Hyphen no out hyphen in. We have this is the certificate we are giving. Hyphen dates hyphen end date. This is the certificate will be delivers data. If you know full information, use hyphen text. Entire certificate related information is displayed in the screen. See, domain name and everything. See, your organization is root CA. Organization unit is your domain name. Common name is CA SAT. This is sign and email address. Same certificate. OpenSSL. I have one intermediate certificate is there. Root and intermediate certificate I have, but only I have missed a server certificate. See, 2031 is the expiring date of my certificate. How to generate the certificate in existing? Suppose I have this is I am deleting this. I am deleting this. This is the certificate details. Copy file. Next. We are giving the browse. Okay. giving root.cr. Otherwise you can give this, no issues. Okay, next, finish. Export, certificate export was completed. This is, see this, details, certificate path, no, not a trusted, validate 2033 2003. This is a certificate check or not. We have to check a certificate is expiring or not. Before that, installing the certificate. My certificate is validated. We are going to IHS. We are creating the KDB RDB stack. I am creating one folder, mkdir SSL. chmod -r 775 SSL chmod -r. Okay, this is cp space -pr opt IBM softwares as 8. Here HTTP server IBM HTTP server SSL. Okay, see, one more time I'm executing this mkdir SSL cd SSL. Certificate is there. I am creating KDB and RDB stacks. What is that? I will show clearly. At a HS level, we are creating the KDB RDB stash. KDB consists of KDB is key database. RDB have consists of your CSR related information are there. Stash consists of key database passwords are stored. Okay, using the GSK CMD or GSK copy command or IKeyman tool and create the KDB RDB stash. In this we are using GSK CMD. CD in PS. I am checking IHS status. Okay, IHS is running fine. After this, I am searching GSK CMD is there or not. Yeah, this is GSK CMD. Okay, LS GSK. Yeah, GSK CMD is there. Dot slash. I am creating the KDB GSK CMD hyphen KDB hyphen cert hyphen cert hyphen DB HS hyphen PW. By default is WASIHS hyphen expiry 365 days hyphen stash hyphen type. We are use CMS or JKS or PKCS12 or whatever it is based on your requirement. Dot slash JSK CMD hyphen KDB cert hyphen DB HS password expiry hyphen stash hyphen type CMD hyphen. Okay, if any issues we will look. dot JSKCMD hyphen set WASIHS hyphen expiry hyphen stash hyphen type CMS hyphen set hyphen create. I missaid create hyphen okay hyphen PW hyphen type okay hyphen DB yeah yes hyphen expiry hyphen set hyphen DB hyphen expiry hyphen type CMS hyphen PW web hyphen expiry hyphen type correct hyphen type hyphen okay expiry 365 days hyphen DN hyphen PW okay wait 1 minute open set type and create. Wait 1 more minute. I open KDB. Create db key database. Yes, KDB created. ./gskcmd. What is the key database? We are using key database. Create, add, delete, db. What is the database path? Key database. This is the database. What is the password? WASIHS expiry 365 days stash. Password is stored in the type is CMS. I am going to SSL folder. See, KDB is created. I am giving the path mode -775 start. Like this is the way to create the KDB. We are going to add the KDB. We are going to add the KDB, the certificates. cd bin ./gskcmd hyphen, same command I am using. C -db -file opt ibm shortways WAS ./gskcmd -cert -add -db HTTP server IBM HTTP server SSL ihs.kdb -file HTTP server IBM -file. Where is certificate? IOPT IBM softwares root dash under root password as added the certificate. Now this time I am using intermediate certificate. This is -label intermediate. I forgot to give a label. The base. Okay, I am deleting the certificate root dot slash gskcmd -cert -delete -db Okay, we will see delete later. Dot slash how many certificate we will be added? See -cert -list -db -pw webs. I forgot to give this is I forgot to give certificate name, so that wise it will come like this. Okay, no issues. Root CA, root and intermediate certificates are added. If you want a server certificate, we have retrieve like this. See dot slash gskcmd -cert -receive -db Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Dot slash gskcmd -cert -receive -db HTTP server IBM HTTP server SSL ihs.kdb by using this certificate to avoid the man in the middleware attack. This is the way to create the KDB to avoid man in middleware attack. After this -file HTTP server sorry, this is the where we have certificates are stored. This is my server receive certificate. It is duplicate certificate. It will not be added. See, because CSR and this certificate both are matched. Otherwise, we cannot add. Yeah, same certificate request created by certificate not in the key database means check the you are using correct certificate. We have no server certificate, we are using default certificate, that why it shows this error. In a real time there is no errors. To avoid this, to avoid man in middleware attacks, to create the certificates like this in a IHS level. This is the man in middleware attack. To avoid this, client send request to the web browser in the secure connection, enter into the unauthorized person, enter into the user, store under the information. The secure connection will be disabled. See, like this. This contacting the web application, ICICI bank application or something, some applications. Okay, man in middleware means hacker will enter into the your computer, store on the information, automatically browser secure connection is disabled. Okay, after the he is you and hacker will communicate it like this. To avoid this, we create the SSL is important key role in the organizations. This is to add the key database is using key database. Now we are using IKman tool, using GUI mode. 1 minute. Using Xming, I am starting the application. I am creating duplicate session. I am logging as a WAS admin. I am not able to log in root. // IKman. Yes, this is the IKman tool. We are creating the KDB using IKman. See, I told yes types CMS JKS PKCS tool. I am selecting JKS. Here SSL, it will show it here. Password is WAS admin. WAS admin. Set. Password is set. I am creating the certificate. See, new self-signed certificate means yes sir will be raising. See, this is X509V3. X509 means retrieve the CSR on certificate information. Key size we are using data 1024-2048 secure purpose 4056. No issues. Organization use anything about that, anything we need to give. Use any use bank, otherwise you can use bank localities. Zip code, right one thing is I country code, I IN means India, 365 days we are changing how many days, whatever it is. By default 365 days. Email, DNS like this. Go to SSL. Yeah, see, this is the case. Board, double 75. JKS issue. Open SSL XY09 iPhone no out. I am checking the information. It will read or not. It will not read. It will convert it into the certificate. Then it will retrieve. Okay. After that, I am creating PKCS tool. WebAS, small WebAS. Create new certificate. Like already seen like that. Okay. Import certificate is import, export like this. Okay. Import miss import key, export miss export like this. Create request, rename. What is new label like this. And receive certificate. Okay. Certificate.arm using HS data KDB like this, using retrieve certificate yard. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. Extract certificate like this. Okay, we are using this. Create KDB file, create new key database file, or you create database file with a different format. PKS or JKCS tool like that. Okay, this is very important. Receive certificate already is there. KDB we have receive. Are using here location hs.kdb like this. Certificate location. Suppose my certificate is /OPT IBM. I'm selecting here. See, it's not key database, it shows. We have not genuine key, so that why it shows like that. View edit like this. Local host, bank, organization, state, Telangana, postal code like this. It shows. View details. Certificate, your serial number, issuer, or country, whatever it is, type, value, zip code, type, state, type, value, Telangana, value, bank, organization unit, certificate number 2024, 2023, August 18th. My computer time is to yesterday time. For certification purpose, to avoid the man in the middleware attack, to use the SSL certificate in the secure man. manner. Slash WebSphere EVM, WebSphere app server files, KDIR SSL. I have forwarded CD SSL. I am creating the two folders SSL and move to the certificates into the particular folder 3 SSL, alt tab, DM jar is starting and servers. Start node.sh. App server 2 cd bin .less .node.sh start server.sh